Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Azam Qadri. You are watching MAM Qadri Food. Today we will show you, tell you and teach you how to cook chicken deji biryani and what all things are added to it. Let's show you. To make chicken deji biryani, what all things are needed. First of all, we tell you that half a kilo of yogurt. We have half a kilo of yogurt, and then we have about 350 grams of onions, and half a kilo of tomatoes, and 2 lemons, and this big piece of ginger. And we have made this for the broth. These are 5-star anise, and these are 10 to 12 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 big cardamoms, and a piece of ginger, and a piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 4 pieces of bay leaves, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. These things will be added to the broth. Now we have 1 kilo of chicken. Now if people want to add 2 kilos of chicken, they can add 2 kilos. But the material will remain the same. We have 1 carton of mint, and we have tamarind water. We have soaked the tamarind water for 10 to 12 hours. We have coriander seeds and fennel seeds. We have 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. We have to coarsely grind it. Keep watching with us, we will tell you what all things will be added. We have fennel seeds. This is 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. We have green chilies. These are coarsely ground green chilies. We have to use black cardamom. We have salt. We will add salt later. Right now, we have 2 tablespoons. We have 12 to 13 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. We have coriander seeds. We have to coarsely grind these 2. And we have 2 tablespoons of white cumin. We have vinegar in a glass. For 2 kilos of rice, we will use half a kilo of ghee. These are 2 kilos of rice that we have soaked for half an hour. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. First of all, we will add approximately 2 liters of water. This is 1500 ml. After this, we will add 500 ml more to make the broth. I had already opened the film of the stove. Now we have in this plate, which I showed you earlier, all these things are available. We will add this. Now we will add 2 pieces of ginger. This is 1 kilo of chicken, for which we are making the broth. We have put the chicken in it. Now cover it for 20-25 minutes. After 5 minutes, a slight boil is coming. We have to add coriander, and we have to add fennel seeds. When this boil comes, the broth will be ready. Then we will tell you what to do next. Until then, we prepare its spice. We have 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of food. From this, we will add 1 tablespoon to the broth so that the salt goes inside the meat. At this time, we will cover it completely. Now we will wait for 15 to 20 minutes for the boil. This is half a kilo of ghee. We have to brown the onion in it and add salt so that the onion is well browned. This was 350 grams of onion. We have to brown it and take it out. We have increased the flame and add a little salt to the onion. We have to add a little salt to the onion so that the onion is well browned. We have to brown only this much onion. Here our onion is brown. On the other side, the broth is also ready. Now we go to the spice. Now we have to take it out. Now we have this mint, tomato, green chilies, and yogurt. We have to mix and grind all these 4 things. We have also added tomatoes and mint. Now we have green chilies. We have added this to grind. We have half a kilo of yogurt. We have to add this yogurt to it. Our spice is ready. Now we will grind it. We have 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and half a tablespoon of fennel seeds. We have to make it coarse. Do not make it too fine, just grind it a little and show you. We have to grind only this much. Now it has become coarse. Our broth is ready. We have to put the broth in another pot. We have to filter the rest of the broth. We have to take out all the broth. We can also add leaves. We have to take out the ginger and garlic and keep it separately. In the same way, we will also take out the onion separately. The spices that we had grinded, we will put it in the pot and roast it. The tamarind that we had roasted, we have to add tamarind water to it. We have to add coriander and fennel seeds. We have to add these 3 big cardamoms. We have to add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. We have to add all the spices. We have to add green chilies. You can increase or decrease the amount of chilies according to your taste. The remaining salt that we had, we have to add it now. Now we have to roast it well. The chicken biryani that is being prepared, it has a very nice aroma, and if you make it in this way, it will be very tasty. You have to try to watch our video till the end. This ginger, garlic and onion, which we have taken out from the broth, we will grind it now. This ginger, garlic and onion, which we had grinded, we have to add half of it. We will make half of the rice separately. We have taken out about half of it, only half. We will stop the rest of the rice. Now we have to roast it well. Mashallah. It has a very nice aroma. Now we are straining the broth that we had made so that all the spices in it are strained. These are the bay leaves, cinnamon and bay leaves. We have to add the remaining spices to the roasted spices. We have added the spices that we had made. The broth that we had strained. We are taking it to the pot. We will give it a boil and add the rice to it, the ginger, garlic and onion paste. which we had kept half. We have to add that to the broth. We have turned on the flame. Now when it comes to a boil, we will add the rice to it. It has come to a boil. The broth is ready. Now we will add the rice to it. We have added the rice to it. We have to keep it for a while. Do not boil the rice completely. We have to keep it for a while so that we can add the korma that we have prepared. Now we have to add vinegar to it. Stir the spoon well. Now we have to add the coriander that we had. We have to grind it and add it to the korma. Our korma is also ready. Now we have to add the whole spices and coriander to it. Now we have to grind the coriander and add it to the spices. Some people add it, some people do not. This is optional. Now we have to add the coriander, turn the flame high. Now we have to add the ginger, tomato and lemon so that the spices can be seen. Mashallah, it is looking very nice. It is looking very nice. It is also smelling very nice. Now our spices are ready to be added to the rice. Now we have to add the korma to the rice. The rice is cooked. Now we have to remove half of the rice. This is how we have to apply the paste on the rice. It is smelling very nice. We have added half of the spices. Now we are going to add half of the onions which we have browned. We are going to spread it like this. It will give a very nice aroma. It will give a very nice look. The aroma is not ready yet. We have added half of it. Now we are going to add the rest of the rice. We have added ginger, mint, biryani masala. We have added half of it. Now we are going to add the rest of the rice. We are going to spread the rice like this. We are going to spread the rice like this. We are going to add half of the onions which we have browned. It will give a very nice aroma. If you follow this recipe, it will be very delicious. Now we are going to add the rest of the spices. We are going to spread it like this. We are going to add the rest of the spices. We are going to spread it like this. It will give a very nice aroma. It will give a very nice look. Now we are going to steam it. We are going to steam the rice. If we steam it without the tawa, all the rice will stick to the bottom. Now we are going to steam it. We have steamed it for 15 minutes. Now we are going to turn it upside down. It has a very nice look. Now we are going to turn it upside down. Our chicken degi pulao is ready. Now we are going to dish out it. If you like the video, please like and share it and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive all our new videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.